back, you guys, or welcome if you are new. Today is an all-day clean with me. It starts pretty much after I take the kids to school, and then we're going to get started on sweeping and cleaning off the stairs. I told you guys before, my kitchen table is always like a dumping ground for papers, clothing, you name it. And of course, this particular morning, they were rushing before school, so they left some plates too.
Got a whole lot of problems, but they're always about you. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them. I don't know what to do. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know maybe it's time that I let
So here I am scrubbing away at syrup. I have no idea how long it has been here, but it was really tough to get off. You guys, so a couple days before this, I had made homemade cocoa that I was heating up for the kids to go with their breakfast in the morning on the stove. I walked away for not even 2 minutes. It overflowed, it burned, it went all over down the stove and everything. So it was just a mess, and it was so hard to get off. I tried maybe 3 different products on this stove.
To figure out what I want, 'cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know maybe it's time that I let you. let me hear you say my name, my name. If you let me hear you, babe. 'Cause I wonder if you feel the same, same. Or just tell me if you feel the same. You don't need to hesitate, oh babe. No, it's never too late. I think we're soulmates. Let's find a way to start again, oh yeah. 'Cause I wanna work things out, yeah. I just wanna fall into your arms. Come on and fall in love with me, with me. I can be the one to turn your life around and never let you down. So please, let me hear you say my name, name. Let me hear you say my name, name. Let me hear you say my name. Let me hear you say my name. Even though it's dark some days, I know blue skies are coming our way. Yeah, yeah. Everything will be okay. 'Cause no one else can make me feel this way. Yeah, I'm completely satisfied, right? As long as you're by my side. So if you love me, let me hear you say my name, my name. If you love me, let me hear you, babe. I just wanna fall into your arms. Come on and fall in love with me.
Can we say hashtag mom life?
I can be the one to turn your life around and never let you down. So please, let me hear you say my name, name. Let me hear you say my name, name. Let me hear you say my name. Let me hear you say my name. Let me hear you say my Oh baby, baby, good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises, no. Oh, did you fool yourself enough to be proud? Oh baby, baby, good at thinking. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulder strung you up on a thread. But I don't need to tell you, hey, don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Oh baby, baby, I don't know what to say. Every beginning's gonna end up the same. Spare me your thoughts and get out of my way. Baby, 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 baby. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulder strung you up on a thread.
Brief intermission. I'm back at the stove again. I was just not happy at all with how the stove turned out when I tried to clean off all that burnt cocoa earlier. So I ran to Target real quick and I got this Barkeeper's Friend A lot of people swear by it. I have never tried it before, but I figured it's worth a shot. So let's see if it gets all that cocoa off.
It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. It's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on. It's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on. It's a devil on your shoulder. Oh, devil on. It's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on. It's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on. It's a devil on your shoulder. Shoulder. Hey, don't you look at me like that. Hey. Like you're feeling sorry. Don't you look at me like that. When you break my heart like that. Like you're feeling sorry. Cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey. Don't you look at me like that. When you break my heart like that. Like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the soul. Don't you look at me like that. Walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the soul. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Oh, devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Shoulder, hey.
Okay, more evidence of syrup. This is usually where we have the garbage can, and I think one of the kids, you know, went to scrape their plate or whatever and missed the garbage can, syrup spilled, and they never said anything. So I didn't know he was here until I moved the garbage can to mop. So much for joining me today. I hope I gave you some much needed cleaning motivation. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to click that like button. And if you're new here, please subscribe. I would love to have you. All right. Thank you. I'll see you soon in a brand new video.